According to Philippians 4.6, how should one make their requests known to God?
Philippians 4.6. That rings a bell. Doesn't that have something to do with prayer?
You're on the right track, but remember, we're looking for the specific way the verse tells us to present our requests.
Okay, let me think. Is it by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving?
That is absolutely correct. And now for our Spanish-speaking listeners, the question is, según Filipenses 4.6, ¿cómo deben darse a conocer las peticiones a Dios?
Wow, it sounds even more beautiful in Spanish. Las peticiones a Dios. It's so expressive. So the answer in Spanish is, en oración y ruego con acción de gracias. Did you get it right?
Let's look at the verse itself. It says, be careful for nothing but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God.
What a great reminder that even when life gets crazy and we're feeling stressed, we can always turn to God with a thankful heart. It's not just about asking for what we need, but also remembering all the blessings we already have.
Exactly. Gratitude is key. All right, ready for question number 2?
Hit me.
Okay, here's the English version. According to Romans 4.8, who is considered blessed?
Romans 4.8. Let me see if I can recall this one. It's from the book of Romans, which is all about grace and forgiveness, right?
That's right. Keep that in mind as you consider the question.
Okay, I think I have it. Is it the one to whom the Lord will not impute sin?
You're absolutely right. And for our Spanish listeners, the question is, según Romanos 4.8, ¿quién es bienaventurado?
Bienaventurado. I love that word. It's so much more powerful than just saying blessed, isn't it? It implies a deeper sense of joy and fulfillment. So the answer in Spanish is, aquel a quien el Señor no inculpa de pecado. What does the verse itself say?
Romans 4.8 says, blessed is the man to whom the Lord will not impute sin.
It's a powerful reminder that true blessedness, that deep sense of peace and joy, doesn't come from being perfect or earning God's favor. It comes from His grace, His undeserved love and forgiveness.
Absolutely. It's a message of hope and freedom for all of us. Ready for question number 3?
I'm on a roll. Bring it on.
All right, here's the English version. According to Psalm 133.1, what is described as good and pleasant?
Psalm 133.1. Okay, I'm picturing those beautiful words about unity and harmony. They paint such a vivid picture, don't they?
They do. The Psalms are full of rich imagery and powerful metaphors. Keep that in mind as you consider the question.
I think I've got it. Is it dwelling together in unity?
You are absolutely correct. And in Spanish, the question is, según el Salmo 133.1, ¿qué se describe como bueno y delicioso?
Delicioso. I love how they use the word delicious to describe unity. It makes it sound so appealing and desirable, doesn't it? It's like they're saying harmony is sweet. So the answer in Spanish is habitar juntos en armonía. I wonder what the actual verse says.
Psalm 133.1 says, behold how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity.
That voice is such a powerful message, especially in our world today. We see so much division and conflict. But this reminds us that there's something inherently good and beautiful about being united. It's something to strive for, don't you think?
I completely agree. Unity brings joy and blessing not just to individuals, but to entire communities. It's something worth fighting for, even when it's challenging. Speaking of challenges, are you ready for question number 4?
Always.